Multilac Restoration Compound for exterior and interior surfaces, specially manufactured to restore and strengthen old walls. Step 1. Thoroughly remove loose dirt, dust, grease and oil from the surface. If there is fungus, algae or water slime, scrub well with a wire brush, then clean with water. Step 2. The surface of the old plastered wall should be cut using an angle grinder with a cutting wheel at a width of 3 to 4 inches, without completely removing the old plaster until it reaches the brick surface. This can be repeated to cavities along the old surface, maintaining an 8-inch gap by both length and breadth from each cavity. Step 3. Mixing. 20 kilograms of Multilac Restoration Compound powder should be gradually mixed with 5 to 6 liters of clean water in a bucket or any other suitable container, and stirred until a soft mixture is achieved. The mixture should be stirred for 5 to 6 minutes. It is best to use a mixture within 3 hours of this process. It is recommended that an electric mixer is used for even mixing. Step 4. Use restoration compound to fill these cavities using a scraper. Step 5. Apply 2 coats of restoration compound, 1 mm to 8 mm thick, on the wall surface for a superior finish. Multilac Restoration Compound for exterior and interior surfaces. Call our hotline on 070 522 2555 for more details.